Good afternoon, LC people. Yep, playing with an airbox. It had a remote system on this bike, and the wiring was actually buried in here. I've took the wiring out, but it left an hole there where there was a clip that the relay shoved on, a spade. So I took the nut and bolt and the spade off that bit and out of there. And I've got to close the holes. Now, it's a big hole down in the bottom there. Yeah, looks a bit snotty, doesn't it? And there's an hole here. Now, if you see, there's a little round plastic that I've made out of old fuse box. Cut the old fuse box up, it was junk. Grind it down to the right circle size. So it's a nice tight fit. Fuse it in with the old soldering iron. Done that one. I've just made this one. A nice snug fit. So that'll get the soldering iron on it. And I'll do the same with those. I might close them up with the end of the cable ties because they're only littleish holes, aren't they? That's what I'm about. That's the fix. Could have glued it, could have done this, could have bought another airbox. Not going down that road, pay what we got. That's what it's about. You know, cost of living crisis and all that, watching the pennies. Thanks for watching, dilly dilly.